Tirana is the capital and largest city of Albania, with a population of approximately 550,000 people. The city covers an area of approximately 1,110 square kilometers, including the surrounding suburbs and rural areas. In the city center, Tirana spans an area of only 41 square kilometers, where most of the population and commercial activities are concentrated. Tirana has undergone significant urban development in recent years, with the construction of new buildings, parks, public spaces, and transportation infrastructure.
Good morning, this is day 2 in Tirana. Today I'm gonna take a cable car up to a mountain from the outskirts of town. Couple of little side notes concerning my hotel. I paid €330 for 6 days, including the flight. Upon arrival, I was informed that I'd have to pay an additional €8 per day, so-called city tax. Otherwise, the guy wouldn't have let me check in. That's pretty cheeky. A pool and a spa was supposed to be in the hotel. That isn't the case. The pool is in a different building in the city center, about 1.5 kilometers away, and costs an additional €8 per day. So yeah, avoid these guys, man. The VH Group and the Broadway Hotel. If we have no peace, it is because we have forgotten that we belong to each other. And here are a couple of important Albanian words. Pake, peace. Dashuri, love. Wow, dashuri. That's good. And the streets are alive, the sun's shining. I am intending to go to the Dajti Express, the cable car that takes you up the mountain from the outskirts of town. To get there, you come to the city center, right by the Friendship Monument. And in front of that thing, the bus is taking off. It's a blue bus, and its destination is... I have a word that sounds like porcelain. I wanted to buy a ticket and pay the guy. He just waved me through. Oh, that's why the tickets have to be paid later. So this is like 40 leg. Here we are. The rest has to be done per foot uphill. Well, from the city center, the bus takes about 25 minutes to drop you at the stop. From there on out, it's about 5 minutes walking. It's kind of hard to miss. Let's see if my old ass is cool with the heights. I want a ticket, please. Can I pay in euro? There you go. Perfect. You can pay in euro. I am excited! Euro. Okay, thanks. Let's go. I am alone! Alright, bye. Costs €12. Takes 15 to 20 minutes up.
Welcome to the Dajti Express in Tirana, your ticket to an incredible journey to the summit of the Dajti Mountain. This cable car covers 4.2 kilometers of scenic terrain and brings you to an altitude of 1,200 meters. In here, you can feast your eyes on sweeping views of Tirana and the surrounding landscape. Up in the national park, you can engage in a variety of outdoor activities such as hiking, mountain biking, horse riding, and much more.
Here we are. Hi. Thank you. Oh, it's a lot colder here. I'm glad I brought my sweater. All kinds of entertainment up here. An adventure park, mini golf, even a hotel. A couple of hotels actually. Roller skating, beehives, and multiple restaurants. This one serves pizza, for instance. Pizza with a view. Can't believe you get this for €3.50. Again, this giant plate of salad with bread. A double espresso for 200, vegetable risotto for 500. All in all, I paid less than €10. Amusement park sounds pretty good actually. What's an amusement park though? Here you have a paintball sniper shooting range. This is more down my alley. Hello. Oh, I mean, of course, if they weren't tied to trees and stuff. These things look fun. I'm gonna check out the horsies. Check on the baby. Cute. I feel like that's the best option. Let's check that out. Perfect nature escape from the city. 20 minutes per cable car up the mountain and you're here. There's a bunker in front of this building. It's been abandoned for a while now, it seems, probably from the communist times. There's no sign, no information about this. There's a dog. The dog is on a chain. Hope it's safe to walk up here. Ew. And wow, look at this. Everything is broken. I don't even want to know what happened in here. Yeah, I don't know. This is the backside. Wow, creepy. Let's get the F out of here. Ooh. And then in front of the building, on either side, there are bunkers for defense, I guess. There's one, and the other one is right here. Yeah, check this out. People hung out in here and potentially shot from out of here. Hello. How are you? Just horses walking around everywhere freely. I like that. Looks kind of dead, but let's check it out. I don't know. Just a lot of climbing and some upseiling, small zip line probably. And there's so many bunkers here. It's crazy.
The Hoxha regime's paranoia about potential foreign attacks was a driving force behind the construction of the country's 173,000 bunkers, which caused significant strain on the country's resources, including its concrete and cement industry. Many of the bunkers deteriorated soon after construction due to the subpar materials used, which contributed to the country's economic struggles in the years that followed.
The sky is definitely cloudy now. It looks like rain. That was a nice time out. I'm making my way back down to the city now. I am taking a taxi back, a 600 lek from here to the city center. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Just where I started from. It's hard to believe that there's as much hair in Tirana as there are barbers. It seems like they deliberately planted as many trees and plants as possible around the streets of Tirana. It's so nice. This cool little place does have oat milk, and they even had some vegan pastries. Sweet little cafe with a boutique attached. Lots of young people right by Con Street, and that looks amazing. Less than €2 for a cappuccino with oat milk, and it's good.
Albania is a secular state with no official religion, but Tirana has a diverse religious makeup with a significant Muslim population as well as Christian Orthodox and Catholic communities. The city's largest mosque is the Big Mosque, which was completed in 1823 and is currently closed for renovations.
There's generally a lot of cafes, restaurants, and especially bars around. A lot of cocktail bars. People seem to drink. Seen that before. You can actually weigh yourself for a little change. So far, my experience is that, except in the most fancy places, English won't get you very far here. My impression of the city is that people are very friendly. Nobody's giving me weird looks at all. Nobody seems hostile. It doesn't seem particularly extra friendly, but I feel safe the whole time. and there's zero hostility towards me.
She sure does love taxes.
In the movie theater, films are actually being played in the original versions, so in English mostly. Diesel and gas aren't cheaper than in Berlin. A liter of diesel is currently €1.65. Unleaded, it's about the same. That's an interesting character. Unnecessarily uncomfortable way to walk.